and discuss very important topic. So how to advertise on your YouTube channel. Total YouTube channel, how to advertise using on Facebook. Using on Facebook. Facebook we can use in two logics. Facebook using for two logics. In this we using for anyimage.io or you can using for website or blogger or WordPress, your wish. But I don't have a website. You can use option is called anyimage.io. In this, first of all, the promotion techniques. First, to create the channel image. Select your title. Next, description. Prepare the link by using Notepad. Title, and this is a YouTube link. Prepare on your description by posting an hashtag. First, you can prepare the proper title. Is a major important proper title. Next thing is link, and after that, your promotion will be two techniques. That shared by any image to Facebook profile, Facebook page, Facebook groups, Facebook, other timelines, Facebook, private chat. Same this one. Along with to increase the likes, same pattern can change. For to share to Facebook page, page to profile, page to other pages. Any business minimum have to 2 to 3 ways will be created. This is a common thing. Any business you create the 2 to 3 business pages. So Facebook page to profile and other pages, group, other timeline and private chat. The major thing is a major thing. And coming to this, everything done. Image was prepared. Select any image.io. Without website, you can use any image.io. If his website is there, use the website. That increase your traffic. Increase your traffic. Browse file. This is called image. Go to download image. When upload image time, the title will be same for your image. It's a major point. What are the image uploading? The title will be same. Copy image. Next, title. So always keep it in first letter will be capital. That's your destination URL. This image.io, the supporting for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. But most of this image.io only use it for LinkedIn and Facebook only. Twitter recently facing problem only Facebook and LinkedIn purpose. Coming to Facebook, select your option. Total option will be selected by using hashtag, copy, hashtag and copy. Select here. Click for finish. Smaller discuss. If you share this video direct into Facebook page and profile, groups and timeline and friends timeline. To increase the page likes, to share on your Facebook page to other pages. So always you can promote by your business page. That is the main goal. Here 3 advantages. Page likes, YouTube views, YouTube subscribers. Page likes, YouTube views, and subscribers. Is uploading here. I'm open Facebook page. Now post study. Click for Facebook. I don't looking for page likes that share. I'm not looking for page likes. There will be that share. So here we'll got one error. Yes, this error simple copy. The error will occur. Simple copy this URL. Go to your Facebook page. I'll give you the simple solution. Anything will be sharing will be problem. There is the updating is their website or the updating in any tools. You can go to that your Facebook page. Anytime they are updating for any image.io is updating, go for your Facebook page. Then select your post option. Paste the URL. Paste the URL. They're fetching your information by here. The starter you are fetching. Wait for few seconds. Software updating server. See this one. Share, newsfeed and story, friends timeline, group, page and private message. Here I'm not advertising your page likes. I'm that advertising my news. Coming to that your story. That your post. This will be no use. So always keep it in mind. Page. Go to your page. Select your proper page. Select your proper page and click for tag any friends also. You can tag how many friends? Totally 50 friends. Along with page, tag on your friends also. No friends, no use for your tagging. Your Facebook profile, no friends, no use for tagging. Share this. So I'm not tagging any person. I'm not tagging for any person. Post on Facebook. I'll show second method. I'll show second method. Go to your page. Now refresh and reload. Wait for 2 seconds. Is a post. The post will reach for YouTube channel views and click for share. Two things are more promoting. One is YouTube channel views and subscribers. Second thing is page likes. Share. How many options will we show? Group, event, and page. They're showing for three options. Why? Because the sharing will be two methods. The sharing will be two methods. By profile, by page. By always we can using by profile. You can see the options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select by share option. Select by the share option. Select it. Share your story. Share on your timeline. Friends timeline. First share on your story. Including original post. Original post nothing but your page likes. What is that? Your page likes and click for post. Is updating first of all your story. Your story is major important. Share. Share option. Next your where share on your timeline with the original post. In this timeline, you can add your tag your friends. Tag your friends. What are the friends are there? You can target by this one. Every friends you can target by your options. So this is your friends target by the audience. Sorry. Any people can target here. So I'm targeting how many members total. So we can target by any people. You can show this. How many people can target? Up to 50% can tag along with your friends and just showing for where your timeline. Now click for post. Two benefits. They're showing for their timeline. You can see by new friends will be watched. Their profile friends will be watched. They can join by your page. I'll show one example. They're posting for your one by one. And this will be tagged for at a time so many members. Tag for so many members. Now click for share. Share. This will be done weekly only twice. This will be done weekly only for twice. They will be done by only for 2 times. Friends timeline. Post it. Anything select here. SEO. Now click for post. Individual friends timeline. Next. Select it. Share. Share this. Go to groups. Select your digital marketing group. Paste here. Along with original post. Now click for post. I'll see how the post in your group. Open it in a group. One is can increase your profile friends, and second thing your page likes, video views, and subscriber. Only promoted page likes. They only for page and groups. We can't share by the friends timeline and chart and story and tags. See this one. Profile friend will be increased and increased by page likes. They come into your. They check my page likes. Second thing will be check my video views. Share. The final touch is called share other pages. How many pages we have? Shared by all pages. Don't miss any pages. How many pages you have? Shared by the all pages. Always promote by primary pages. Remain all promote by the secondary pages. Good. Original post. Post option. And do one thing. Daily work will be page to page will be can do regularly. No issues. Page to group and page to friends timeline. Facebook to private chat is will be weekly only twice. Page to page and will be done by daily, no issues. Page to your storyline also, no issues. Page to your timeline also, no issues for daily. For regular will be don't do by Facebook to groups, page to groups, and page to friends timeline, page to private chat. Select here, post it with the original post. Now share this one. Page. Select your option, post it. Now click for post. So how many pages we have? I'll post the all pages. pages, including original post. But I'm not showing for original post, only shared by your content. Those are the original post option. Is it clear? This is called shared by your particular channel on your Facebook option.